goodbye to the stains of your face and acne with this. The vast majority of people have imperfections in the skin, this because they do not have the necessary care at the time of exposure to the sun and many more occasions. Fortunately, the science has advanced so fast that today offers products to eliminate any stain on it in a short time. The only disadvantage is that acquiring these products is not economic at all and therefore not many people acquire them. There are natural alternatives that work in the same way, maybe not so fast, but if they give good results. And in this article we will give you a bicarbonate-based remedy with which you will be able to remove your facial stains. Use of baking soda to remove stains from the face. Baking soda acts as an exfoliant, gently cleansing dead skin cells. Exfoliation is the first step to soften scars, as their properties easily penetrate the skin through the pores. As mentioned above, it helps eliminate impurities and dirt settled on the skin and is not easy to remove with conventional products. These can stain your skin and bring it to a tone that is not the original. It is able to stimulate the production of collagen, so the spots on the skin will heal faster. How to use it? Wash your face with the usual cleaner to remove surface impurities. Dry with a soft towel. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to make a thick paste. Apply it on the areas to be treated. Massage it gently on your face, with circular motions. This exfoliates the skin. Let it act for 1 minute and repeat the massages for a while. Wash your face with warm water and apply the moisturizer of your preference as soon as your face has dried. Repeat the procedure between 2 and 3 times a week, depending on the reaction of your skin. Do not exaggerate in the application.